Hello everyone, greetings from UTAG Flip Learning. UTAG Flip Learning is a platform that provides you with flip model of English learning. So, today we are going to highlight a grammar point, you and me or you and I. Is there any difference? Let's look at two examples. Tell me, which of them is right, which of them is wrong? My brother and me went to the stadium. Next one. It's a secret between you and I. Okay, so let's look at the first one and see if it is right or wrong. The first sentence is definitely wrong because I used me, which is an objective pronoun, instead of a subjective pronoun. So I'm talking about subjects, my brother and I. I'm using I instead of my name. So because I'm using it as a subject of a sentence, I have to change it to my brother and I went to the stadium. I think that's clear. But what about the next sentence? This sentence is also wrong. Instead of saying, it's a secret between you and I should have said, it's a secret between you and me. Why? Because me is an object. I can't use a subject pronoun. What makes me an object? This one, between, is a preposition. And when I have a preposition in a sentence, what comes after that is an object of preposition. We have lots of prepositions in sentences like between, for, to, about, and lots more. Let's look at some more examples. It's about you and me. We have a preposition here again, and I say it's about you and me because both you and me are now objects. This cake is for us and them, so I'm using objective pronouns. And the last one, my sister is taller than me, or my sister is taller than I am. So I can use both of them because some people say that than is a conjunction and not a preposition. If it is a conjunction, I should use a subjective pronoun. My sister is taller than I am, or I. But some other people believe that than is a preposition, so what comes after that should be an object. Like the previous examples. My sister is taller than me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. And keep in touch until the next lesson. Have a great time. Stay healthy.